up, everybody? It's the day before tuner evolution, and I came to my mom's because she got better water pressure, and I live like 90 miles from the convention center, so cleaning it at my house and then driving it 90 miles will defeat the purpose. So my mom lives about 28 miles from the convention center, so that won't be too bad. So today we're going to clean the evos. This one needs like a full detail, like a buff and a wax, and the blue car only needs like a wash and wax. So we're gonna do this one first, and then we're gonna do the blue one next. So we got the car washed up. It looks good already just from washing, but I haven't waxed it all year. So there's a lot of shit in the paint, unfortunately. But yeah, it looks pretty good already. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna clay it and then I'll wax it. It doesn't really need a buff. And the paint, besides the shit in it, seems pretty smooth still from last year. So I'm just gonna clay bar the rest of it and then I'm gonna wax it. Clay wiring the car. It looks pretty good, I would say. Yeah, it's a lot cleaner now. There's a lot of rail dust because of where I live. There's a lot of rail dust and it shows up on white, real prominent. So now I'm gonna wax it and then this car will be done, and then I can pull the blue car in and do that one. Well. Got it all waxed up, looking good. She's ready. So now we're gonna pull the X out, pull the blue one onto the driveway, and get that washed and waxed, and we'll be done and be ready for tomorrow. These cars are looking sweet, man. I'm really happy with them. The blue car cleans up very nice. I need to reseal these because I found some condensation in it while I was washing it. But this car will eventually need a respray and some body work, maybe some paintless dent repair. But she cleans up really good. I don't really need to clay it or anything. So I'm just gonna wax it. And then after that, it's done. Really happy how the paint is still. I mean, it's an 05, it's never been painted before. And the paint's still pretty good. The paint still shines up real nice. So I'm really happy about that. So we're gonna wax it, and then after that, it's done. We're gonna pack them away. And that's gonna be it for this episode. Well, they're both ready. Electric blue, man. It's the best Evo color. You can fight me on that too. Looks amazing. Well, they're ready for tomorrow, Tuner Evolution at the Schaumburg Convention Center. That's all I got for today. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.